My name is Dena Friedel, and I am the Operations Manager for KP Designs Group. We are a full-service interior design firm in Columbus, Ohio. We have a 9,000 square foot showroom filled with ever-changing items, furniture, art, lighting, accessories, and this showroom is exclusively available to our designers and their clients. It is not open to the public. We have 12 very talented designers, each balancing multiple projects at one time, and they are selling from our inventory as well as resourcing and ordering specific pieces for each client. My main responsibilities as operations manager are inventory management, sales and commission tracking, and client billing. So whether it's for inventory or specifically for a client, each item that's purchased is entered and tracked and billed. A big piece of my job is to work with the designers to help keep them organized and held accountable. So QuickBooks decided to suddenly stop supporting their point of sale system. And keep in mind that this was a system we had been using from day one. I was forced to be given the task to start looking for a replacement system fairly quickly, and point of sale was what we were used to. So was it a perfect system? No, but over time, we found ways to make it work for us. So point of sale tracked our purchases, inventory, sales, and calculated our designer commissions for us. Because of our unique business model and our specialized processes, simply finding a replacement proved to be extremely challenging, and it felt very impossible at times. While other members of my team work a bit in GOIS doing daily tasks, I am the main user. So everything that I do throughout my day is in the GOIS system. I must have compared over 20 different out-of-the-box systems to find a replacement. The biggest challenge that we were faced with is that we use QuickBooks Enterprise Desktop, and Enterprise is much more robust in what it can do and the information that it has and reports that we can get out of it than the online version. So we felt very strongly that we did not want to switch. We wanted to be able to at least maintain what we currently had. Another huge challenge for us was the way we calculate our cost and commissions. There are so many elements to consider in our costing than just the price that we paid for an item. So once the reality hit me of how hard it was going to be to fit our specialized process into a pre-built system, we considered building our own. And we actually had it all framed out and ready to begin programming, but it proved to be very cost prohibitive for the return on investment. When we found GOIS, it was like the best of both worlds. And while it would be more challenging, they assured me that they would integrate QuickBooks Desktop. Overall, it has been a long but positive journey. The entire team is always very responsive and professional. The exploration phase was probably the longest piece, but it helped identify our needs. We spent a lot of time ensuring that the requirements were understood. And as we progressed, it was very important for me to be involved in testing the changes that were made. I have an innate need to understand exactly how things work and how each action affects everything that follows. So this method proved to be very helpful in me both learning and understanding the system. We continued throughout the process to work closely together until we got to the point where I felt we were ready to go live with the system. Yes, there's a few things that I've really noticed. Number one was adding custom fields. It allowed us to capture the data exactly as we need it, and hugely the ability to dispatch sales orders with the click of a button and have it feed seamlessly to QuickBooks. That saved us a significant amount of time as well. By linking each customer to their specific designer ensures that our commissions are always linked correctly. And by building custom templates and reports, it makes our information readily available exactly as we need it, and the new reports are clean and easy to read. One of the things that has saved me, I can't even explain how much time, and I believe this option may have even been available in point of sale, but it was never worth the time. Since we were building this new system, it was worth the time to take pictures of all of our inventory items and upload those photos, so that now I spend literally less hours a week trying to find things that the designers are trying to describe to me, and I have no idea what they're talking about. So that has been one of the most noticeable things that has made a difference to both myself and the designers. As far as continuing the journey with them, I have big ideas of how to add functionality that will allow our designers to use the system independently and to simplify some of the manual processes that they use today. As I work in the system daily, I would also love to continue to provide suggestions on how to continue to better the program for all users, not just KP Designs. We asked a lot of them and they worked with us to make it happen. If they can make it work for us, they can help you.